Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In recent days, Bitcoin's price movement has been confined between two key ranges formed by important historical levels. The upper range stretches from 123,200 to 124,400, while the lower range spans from 121,900 to 121,000. Yesterday, the market briefly dipped below this structure, reaching as low as 119,700 before recovering and re-entering the lower range. The hourly chart showed a clear sign of strength during that recovery, and price is now holding above 121,500. During that brief decline, I added exposure around 120,400 additionally to my existing position from around 124,000. Momentum appears to be improving, and the money flow has turned positive since Tuesday. Now let's take a look at the broader market data. On the one-day heat map, the next area of interest sits around 125,600, suggesting there could still be room for further movement in that direction. The 3-day view shows the same level as a focal point, indicating that many participants are positioned against the current move in this zone, while below, there's a cluster of interest between 119,500 and 116,700. The one-week heat map reveals that the 120,400 level was cleared during yesterday's move, with another key zone at 119,400. Above that, the main concentration begins at 126,300 and extends toward 128,500. These are new areas that formed after recent volatility, reflecting how the market often requires short-term uncertainty before reaching new milestones. Turning to institutional activity, despite the market pullback, inflows into spot exchange, traded funds remain strong. BlackRock recorded about $255 million of inflows, bringing the day's total to roughly $197 million. This shows continued accumulation without noticeable impact on price action. In related developments, Luxembourg has become the first European Union nation to include Bitcoin in its sovereign wealth fund portfolio, allocating 1% of its assets into Bitcoin-linked ETFs. This marks a notable step toward broader institutional participation within Europe. Meanwhile, in Sweden, a new parliamentary motion was introduced to reform digital asset taxation and explore the potential inclusion of Bitcoin in national reserves alongside gold and fiat holdings. These discussions highlight the growing integration of Bitcoin into traditional financial and policy frameworks. I'll continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time market thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video, and subscribe with notifications turned on to stay updated. And see you in the next one.